Tired of being tethered to a wall while cleaning up messes? The best cordless shop vacs offer powerful suction and ultimate convenience, making cleanup a breeze wherever you go. Whether you're tackling your garage, workshop, or car, these vacs give you the mobility you need without compromising performance. In this video, we'll explore the top cordless shop vacs on the market. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more details and great deals. Let's get started. DEWALT DCV 581H Cordless Shop Vac. The DEWALT DCV 581H is a versatile cordless and corded wet-dry shop vacuum powered by an 18-volt or 20-volt max battery or an AC outlet. It features a HEPA-rated filter that traps dust with 99.97% efficiency at 0.3 microns and can be easily cleaned with a tap or water rinse. The vacuum is equipped with a heavy-duty, crush-resistant 5-foot hose, making it durable and flexible for various cleaning tasks. With a 2-gallon tank capacity and a suction power of 31 CFM, it is perfect for cleaning wet or dry messes. Its onboard storage allows easy transport, while its cordless capability offers maximum portability. CRAFTSMAN CMCV002B Cordless Shop Vac. The CRAFTSMAN CMCV002B is a portable cordless wet-dry shop vacuum with a 2-gallon tank and a 7-foot hose for extended reach. Its powerful motor provides 35 CFM suction, efficiently picking up debris, including wood and wet messes. The HEPA filter traps 99.7% of filth and irritants, ensuring a healthier environment. This vacuum is equipped with onboard accessory storage for easy organization and quick access. Battery and charger are sold separately, allowing for flexibility with power sources. Whether used for indoor or outdoor tasks, it combines portability and performance to tackle a wide range of cleaning jobs. Portable PCC 795B Cordless Shop Vac. The Portable PCC 795B is a cordless 20-volt max wet or dry shop vacuum with a 2-gallon tank, designed for quick cleanups and versatility. It features a 7-foot 8-inch hose that allows for extended reach, making it suitable for both job site debris and wet messes. The vacuum's strong suction power ensures effective cleaning, while its onboard storage keeps accessories neatly organized. This model includes a replaceable and washable cartridge filter, offering durability and ease of maintenance. Battery and charger are sold separately, providing flexibility for users with different power needs. It's an ideal choice for those who require portability and powerful suction. MILWAUKEE 0880 20 Cordless Shop Vac. The MILWAUKEE 0880 20 is a powerful 18-volt cordless wet-dry shop vacuum with a 2-gallon capacity, ideal for both wet and dry applications. It features a high-efficiency HEPA-rated filter that captures fine dust and debris. The vacuum is equipped with a built-in blower port, making it versatile for blowing or vacuuming tasks. With a powerful motor, it provides strong suction and airflow for efficient cleaning. Its toolbox design makes it easy to transport and store, while onboard accessory storage ensures convenience. Compatible with MILWAUKEE 18-volt slide-on batteries, it offers long-lasting performance, making it perfect for extended cleaning sessions. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect cordless shop vac. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.